Okay, next we are going to see the next problem. Find Laplace transform of f of t equal to t 0 less than t less than a. 2a minus t means the limit is a less than t less than 2a. So now we are going to see the solution of this problem. So by using Laplace transform, L of f of t equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus as into the 0 to a e power minus st f of t into dt. So here upper limit is 0, lower limit is 0, upper limit is a. Here lower limit is 0, upper limit is 2a. So a tends to 2a. So L of f of t equal to 1 by 1 minus e power 2a s into the 0 to 2a e power minus st f of t into dt. Next, Laplace of f of t equal to 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2as into the 0 to a, first limit is 0 to a e power minus st. 0 to a means f of t is t into dt plus integral a to 2a e power minus st 2a minus t into dt. Here now we are using UDV formula. This is here how to select which one is u, which one is dv. So islet, you are using islet. I means inverse. Inverse means sine inverse, tan inverse, cos inverse, like that. L means logarithmic, A means algebra, logarithmic, algebra means x square, like that. Algebra means x square, like that. Next, T means trigonometry. Trigonometry means sine, cos, tan, like that. Next, E means exponential. E power x, e power ax, like that. Okay. By this order, you have to select. First one is u. From this order, first one is you have to select u. So T is algebra. This is algebra. This is exponential. So you have to select which one is u. This is u. In this order, which one is first, you are taking u. Which one is last, you are taking, that is dv. Okay. So here this is u, this is dv, like that. This is dv, this is u. So this is part 1, this is part 2. Okay. So first you have to write the formula u into dv equal to u v1 minus u dash v2 plus u double dash v3 plus etc. So first part and then the second part. First one is, which one is first? This is first. So u equal to t, dv equal to e power minus st into dt. So u dash. U dash means dt. V1. V1 is e power minus st by s. You are taking integration. Both sides you are taking integration. You will get e power minus st by minus s. Next here. Next you are integrating means that is not possible to differentiate. So you have to stop this up to this. So next part 2, u equal to 2a minus t, dv equal to e power minus st into dt. So du equal to, what is that? Minus dt. Du equal to minus dt. That means du means u dash. So here v, you are taking integration on both sides. So v equal to e power minus st by minus s. V1. Okay. Next, you are applying in the formula both. So here, first one, integral e power minus st t into dt, limit is 0 to a. This is the first one. Here you are going to apply the formula. Already you know the formula. U v1 minus u dash v2. U v1 minus u dash v2. Here 0 to a, 0 to u v1. What is u? What is u here? T is u. T into v1. What is v1? E power minus st by minus s. Next, u v1 minus u dash v2. U dash. What is u dash? U dash is 1. U dash is 1 because u dash means du by dt. Okay, du equal to dt. So du by dt equal to 1. So this is u dash. U dash equal to 1. Here also the same thing. Du equal to minus dt. So du by dt equal to minus 1. So u dash equal to minus 1. Next, u double dash is 0. Here also u double dash is 0. Okay. So next, minus u dash v2. What is u dash? U dash is 1. U dash is 1. Next, v2. What is v2? Again you are integrating means v2 equal to 1 by s square e power minus st. Here also v2 equal to e power minus st by s square. Okay, so 1 into e power minus st by s square. Here the limit is 0 to a. So instead of t, first you are applying the upper limit. First you are applying the upper limit. A into e power minus sa by minus s minus e power minus sa by s square. Next, minus upper limit. Sorry, lower limit. Lower limit means this is 0 minus this part is 1 by s square. So what is that? Minus a e power minus sa by s minus e power minus sa by s square, minus and minus plus 1 by s square. This is for part 1. Next, part 2. Next, part 2. What is the part 2? Here, integral a to 2a e power minus st 2a minus t into dt equal to, again you are following the same formula, u v1 minus u dash v2. What is u? Second part u, 2a minus u. u v1, what is v1? This is v1, e power minus st by minus s. u v1 minus u dash v2 minus u dash. What is u dash? U dash is minus 1. So minus into minus plus 1. U dash v2. v2 means e power minus st by s square. Okay. So what is that? Here the limit is a to 2a. Limit is a to 2a. First you are applying the upper limit. Upper limit means, so 2a, instead of t you are applying the upper limit 2a. 2a e power minus s 2a by minus s plus e power minus 2as by s square minus, next lower limit. You are applying the lower limit. 2a minus a e power minus st by minus s plus e power minus sa by s square. So what is that? Here this is 0. So the totally the part is, this term is 0. So what is the remaining? E power minus 2as, e power minus 2as by s square minus 2a minus a minus into minus plus a by s e power minus here also you are applying a 2a. First you are applying 2a, next a. So what is that? Upper limit is it correct? A 2a, next a. Okay. So a minus and minus plus a by s e power sa plus e power minus sa by s square. Plus into minus minus. Okay, this is part 2 solution. So you are adding these two. So what is L of f of t equal to 1 by 1 minus e power 2as, this part is solved. This is the solution for that. So minus a by s e power minus sa minus e power minus sa by s square plus 1 by s square. Next the second part. What is the second part? This is the second part. Plus e power minus 2as by s square plus a by s e power minus sa minus e power minus sa by s square. S square. Okay. So here, what is the solution for this? You are cancellizing, any term is cancellized here. Yeah. This term is cancellized. This is cancellizing this term. So final solution is now I will write here. Final solution is 1 by 1 minus e power minus 2as into these two are like terms. These two are like terms. So what is that solution? So minus 2 times of e power minus sa by s square plus 1 by s square and then minus e power minus 2as sorry, plus e power minus 2as by s square. Okay, this is the solution for this problem.